Hi, Erica. Wave to Grandma. Drew. Hi.
Hi.
You want to go on the Sphinx? You just wait, Erica. Hi.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Hi, Uncle Nolan.
Hi.
Hi, Brittany.
Where's your bike, Erica? Oh, yours is down there too.
Brittany, can you wave?
Say hi. Show your rocks. Show the rocks. Show her the rocks.
Let me see your rocks.
Show Auntie Denise the rocks.
Oh, pretty. And who's in
now
here?
that that's cleaned out, and if a guy takes care of those
Jared.
maples, they should go pretty good, eh, brother?
Yeah.
Dig a little bit of stuff up around them.